Hello students. Now today we are going to see what are phrases. Now in the earlier part of this chapter we have seen that from the letters, from the alphabets, there are 26 alphabets in English. In that one alphabet is called as the letter. When few letters come together they form words. When few words come together phrases are formed. Now let us see what is meant by a phrase. Now, when words join together, they make a phrase. Just now I told you about this. There are several different types of phrases. Now in phrases there are different types. So let us see what is a noun phrase. Now my dear students, I want to tell you one thing today. You must have covered some part or all the parts of speech. Yes, we all know that noun, pronoun, then verb, adverb, yes, adjective, conjunction, interjection, all these are the parts of speech. So some students are, maybe they are having a clear knowledge of all the parts of speech. Some of you may be having some confusion. So I would like to tell here, please pay attention, proper attention over here, and then also if some confusion is there, it can get clear through this chapter. So don't worry that, oh no, I don't know what is an adjective, so I will not understand what is an adjective phrase. Give a proper ear and then you will start understanding. Now here, noun phrase. Now we all know what is a noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So a noun phrase is a group of words which tell you more about a noun. What is a noun phrase? Noun phrase is a group of words which tells you something more about the noun. For example, here one example is taken. The airy abandoned cottage. Now here, cottage is a noun. It is the name of something. Yes, cottage, this word is known to you. Yes, this word has come in many stories. So cottage is a place where someone can live. So it is a noun. Being a place, it is a noun. So now here this phrase, airy abandoned. So this phrase is telling us about the noun. So airy abandoned are adjectives. They are describing the noun. You must have learned the describing words. Yes, we describe something like some place, some animal, some color, somebody's dress. All those are the adjectives and also called as the describing words. So now these words are describing the noun, that is the cottage. That's why this phrase will become the noun phrase. So try to understand here. We are saying noun phrase, but together this is a noun phrase because it tells you more about the cottage. Yes, these words independently, those are the adjective, but it is telling us about the noun. So the phrase which tells us, which gives us extra information or some information about the noun is called a noun phrase. Now, can you identify the noun phrases? Now here you have to identify the noun phrases. I found a brand new pair of trainers. Now if you want to understand this sentence, somebody is telling other person, I have found a brand new pair of trainers. Maybe some player is telling his friend, I have found a brand new pair of trainers. Means two trainers, two new trainers are being found by somebody. So here can you identify which is the noun? Yes. So trainers are the noun and is the verb, it is the noun, and this is a adjective. Yes, brand new pair of trainers. So this phrase is telling us about the trainers. How are the trainers? Brand new. So that's why this is our noun phrase. Okay. So this is our noun phrase. I found a brand new pair of trainers. Brand new pair of trainers. Coming to the next part. Homemade carrot and orange cake tastes delicious. Now what tastes delicious? Homemade carrot and orange cake tastes delicious. So here something is tasting. Tasting is a word. Taste means it is a action word. So it is a verb. So now, and how are they? Delicious. So the noun phrase will become, now here the nouns are carrot and orange. These are the nouns. So the noun phrase will become homemade carrot and orange cake. Okay. So here our noun is carrot and orange cake, and homemade to cake. This will become our noun phrase. Now almost all healthy adult foxes can swim. So what? Who can swim? Almost all healthy adult foxes can swim. So again here this is the verb. It is a complete sentence. It is a noun phrase, and the noun phrase in this sentence is almost all healthy adult foxes, because it is telling us about the adult foxes. Here the noun is this, and the noun phrase is this, almost all healthy adult foxes. So I hope you have understood what is noun phrase. Remember, a noun phrase only gives more information or it modifies a noun. So if you understand what is a noun, then the group of words which gives more information or it modifies the noun, it is called as the noun phrase. Now next is adverbial phrase. Now see here, an adverbial phrase is a group of words which functions like an adverb. We all know what is an adverb. They tell you how, when, why, where or how much an action has occurred. That is an adverb. So for example, here examples are given. Adverb: Harry ran quickly. How Harry ran? How Harry ran? He ran quickly. So adverbial phrase: Harry ran as fast as he could. So here he has ran quickly. This word quickly is converted into as fast as he could. This adverb quickly is converted into adverbial phrase in such a manner that we have to use a set of words which is equal to this but in a different manner. Harry ran as fast as he could. Now here, as fast as he could is an adverbial phrase because it is a group of words which tell us how Harry ran. Here also this word is telling, yes, it is an adverb, but it is a single word. That's why it is an adverb. And here it is a group of words. That's why it is a phrase. Now here we have to identify the adverbial phrases. Now after several hours we arrived at grandma's house. When did we arrive at grandma's house? So we know that adverb answers the how, why, when, where. So here just ask these questions to yourselves. We arrived at grandma's house. When? After several hours. So it will be our adverbial phrase. The cake tasted like heaven. Now, how did the cake tasted? It tasted like heaven. So, like heaven will become our adverbial phrase. I tiptoed as everyone was asleep. Now, this is our action word, that is the verb. Here, I tiptoed as everyone was asleep. How I tiptoed? As everyone was asleep. So see here, this is our adverbial phrase. So understood what is an adverbial phrase? Remember, an adverbial phrase tells you more about the verb. Okay? It tells you more about the verb. Here, this word is telling about the taste. Yes? Here the action is arrived. Here the action is tasting, and here tiptoed is the action. Tiptoe means to walk on the toes. Yes? So an adverbial phrase tells you more about the verb. Fronted adverbials are always marked with a comma, which means when the phrase comes in the starting, you will always see a comma. Fronted means the verb, adverbial phrase, when it comes at the starting of a sentence, then it is always separated by a comma, which we can see in the first case. Now next is our preposition phrase. Now do you know, children, what is preposition? Yes? Preposition is the word which tells us about the place of something in a sentence. As, under, above, below, these are the prepositions. See here, a preposition phrase is a group of words which begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. So, what is there in a preposition phrase? It is a group of words which begins with a preposition. That phrase will always begin with a preposition and it will end with a noun or pronoun. Now we all know what is a noun and what is a pronoun. Pronoun is the he, she, it or they form of a noun. They tell you the position or location of something. Yes, this I told you. Prepositions tell us the position or location of something. For example, under is a preposition. Here see the sentence. The mouse hid under the wardrobe. Now a little mouse is hiding where? It is hiding under the wardrobe. The mouse hid under the wardrobe. So under is the preposition and the words after that will form the preposition phrase. So under the wardrobe is a preposition phrase. Now we have seen all three types of phrases. So now take a look at some of the phrases we have talked about so far. Now whatever phrases, type of phrases we have talked so far, the phrases are taken from those sentences and one question is asked here, which very common word class is missing? Word class, now you all must be knowing what is meant by word class. Which part of speech is verbs have their own special title. Now, when these are the groups of words, but they don't have the verb. So there are some phrases which have the verbs, and those are called as the clauses. Those are called as the clauses. So here you must have understood what are the phrases, and so far we have seen noun phrase, adverb phrase, adverbial phrase and preposition phrase. In the next part we are going to see what are clauses. So we will begin with this diagram again. From letters, words are formed. From words, phrases are formed, and in the phrases when verbs get added, then clauses are formed.